This is a real eye-opener to us. This tanker truck is already scrapped, but for the masters in Peshawar, Pakistan, it's just a few scratches. 20,000 rupees and some hammering will make it good as new. Though fixing a tanker sounds dangerous, in reality, it's not safe at all. But for these repair masters who risk their lives every day, this was just a routine job. To facilitate the repair, the tank first had to be separated from the chassis. The bolts were rusted shut from the fire, so traditional methods were impossible. They had to risk cutting them. Sparks flew during the cut, threatening to ignite a new fire at any moment. The repair shop is equipped with fire extinguishers and has dedicated staff on standby for emergencies. As a crane separated the tank from the chassis, faint smoke from its opening signaled the risk of a sudden flash fire if mishandled. The fire burned all the tank's fuel, leaving its metal deformed or brittle. We had to check carefully what to replace and what to reuse. To completely remove the rust, the vehicle is stripped down to its bare frame. Even though the cab is severely twisted, it's no match for these skilled masters. Next, the engine was removed, and the chassis was instantly a bare frame. The fire severely deformed the main frame, so we must use a hydraulic press. But the front and rear axles greatly complicated the entire straightening process. The tires were damaged beyond recognition, so the workers decided to scrap them entirely. After a tense and thrilling operation, the vehicle's body was completely dismantled. The repairs are about to begin. To convert the truck into a 100-ton king for the owner, its chassis needs a greater load-bearing capacity. Technicians bend new steel plates with a machine to precisely match the original frame shape. The new steel plates must fit perfectly inside the original frame and be precisely measured to ensure enough strength for future overloads. They adjusted every mounting point, drilling with a modified drill for a precise installation. Welding and drilling alternated throughout the process, successfully reinforcing the main frame structure. Meanwhile, the sheet metal workers began to repair the cab. The fire damage was mainly surface dents and a ruined rust-proof layer. They quickly restored the cab's structure using alternating heating and cooling. After completing the sheet metal work, the team applied a full anti-rust treatment to the cab, protecting it from future corrosion. Per the owner's request, they installed a used engine that's 80% new. They checked every detail to ensure the engine, chassis, and components fit perfectly. With all parts reinstalled, the entire vehicle's outline began to emerge. Finally, the masters chose a simple yet premium-looking color scheme, giving the vehicle a brand new look. And just like that, the fire-damaged tanker truck looks completely brand new. So, what do you think of the mechanics' skills?